now we will study about this. First, you can find our palm. First, have a look. My palm is simply your palm. Have a look. The palm, the finger, connect with your inner palm. Connect with the inner palm. Yeah. So when you move the finger, not only move your finger, you need to move your palm, this finger, palm finger. So you need to first relax the center of palms. This area need to relax. We call this the center of palm as Lao Gong. So the Lao Gong, we need to open Lao Gong. Where is Lao Gong? The Lao Gong is middle finger, bind your middle finger, then touch your palms. This area, we call this Lao Gong. Can you find the place? Lao Gong. So we need to find Lao Gong. So middle finger, bend the middle finger, then touch your palms. Yeah, this Lao Gong. This Lao Gong. Yeah. So we need to open this area. Need to open it. Open. So when we open it, I think better I use my right palm. So when we open the palm, center of palms, it's not only straight, not like this straight, but also open to the side. Open to the side. Open to the side. Yeah, open to the side. Like this. We can hold in the cup with your finger. You also can holding a cup with your palm. Don't with your finger. Don't with your finger like this. Yeah. Just with your palm. Just close your palm. So you can find you close your palm is also like a ball, half of a ball. Half. We hollow is keep open of the door and draw chair back. Yeah. You lift chair, push it down. We do it so like this. Yeah. Keep open of your palm, but draw qi back. Draw qi back. Then open. Then open from inside, open like this. Outside like this.